Today, I'm demonstrating how organizations can safely deploy AI agents for regulated, high-stakes decisions inside Microsoft Copilot, using a medical device troubleshooting scenario as an example. Most AI agents today are excellent at drafting content and automating simple, low-risk tasks, but they are not suitable for regulated decisions, mission-critical processes, and high financial and legal risk scenarios. Expert agents solve this with Expert Rules glass-box decision models. They are key to guaranteeing repeatable, explainable, and fully auditable results. Three factors which should be non-negotiable for any mission-critical, high-stakes decision and application. I will first illustrate how the Expert Troubleshoot agent is built, quickly and accurately, by a subject matter expert, not an AI engineer or prompt engineer, before it is deployed to Microsoft Copilot. This is what we call the Expert Agent Studio. The subject matter expert, in this instance, the medical device technical expert, creates a new Expert Agent knowledge base and selects the Expert Troubleshoot blueprint. This will produce the troubleshoot application we're going to use today. Now, the medical device technical expert selects the blood glucose troubleshooting guide PDF. This is an in-depth 13-page document filled with common device issues and resolutions to build the agent from scratch. In the past, this pre-deployment or design stage could take days or weeks, which is why the speed of AI agents are so appealing. But with our Expert Agent Studio, the explainable decision models are built in minutes using an LLM before handing over to the medical device technical expert, who will validate and test the full decision model, ensuring a fully explainable, repeatable, and auditable result every single time. This is the Expert Agent Studio editor, and on the left-hand side, you can see the LLM has created the diagnostic logic for the common device issues and created multiple questions per issue. This is the first time I want to highlight the importance of human in the loop. In all other AI agents, the AI prompt engineer would use the LLM to interpret the PDF troubleshooting guide to identify the questions and answers required to resolve a given issue. But the same issue and same guidance would not be repeated time and time again. The guidance would be subject to inconsistency and hallucination. It is all done in a black box. With our Expert Agent Studio, the subject matter expert can go through every decision and decide if the LLM interpretation is correct or if there has been some misunderstanding or hallucinations that have taken place. This is critical from a regulatory and legal perspective. They can easily make any change, either amend, add new, or delete questions or decisions that the LLM has created. In this instance, the LLM has wrongly included questions for a specific issue. The medical device technical expert can now remove these questions from this flow before the expert agent is live. In contrast, an AI agent that depends on LLM-based reasoning can apply such flawed logic during its live operation, and no amount of testing can completely eliminate this risk. When the subject matter expert is happy that a correct, repeatable, and traceable model has been built, a deterministic expert agent can be deployed to Microsoft Copilot in a matter of seconds. Now, Microsoft Copilot remains the familiar natural language interface, but with expert agents acting as the brain that performs the actual decision-making and reasoning behind the scenes. In this scenario, the medical device manufacturer has deployed this to Microsoft Copilot to be used as self-service or for customer support agents to allow any patient, caregiver, or healthcare professionals to diagnose and resolve common device issues. In this instance, the customer has an issue with their blood glucose monitor, and they articulate in plain natural language what they think their issue is to the Expert Troubleshoot agent. This is where LLMs can play a second role within the expert agent, this time at runtime. Here, the LLM is only used for what LLMs do best, natural language understanding, and not for logical reasoning. The customer can share information in any order, revise earlier responses, or ask for clarification at any time. Meanwhile, the expert agent diagnoses the issue quickly and asks further questions to get to the underlying root cause, preserving the integrity of the validated logic by relying on a deterministic reasoning engine. With expert agents, the questions and guidance will be consistent every time you troubleshoot medical device issues. So to summarize, what I've shown today is how our Expert Agent Studio rapidly converts complex documents like the blood glucose troubleshooting guide into an explainable decision model where any patient, caregiver, or healthcare professional can trust the guidance given due to the auditability and repeatability of the validated expert agent. This means that organizations in high-risk or regulated industries can deploy AI agents safely to achieve faster resolution of complex cases with reduced risk of incorrect or non-compliant guidance, whilst delivering AI that regulators and auditors can actually approve. This is the difference between AI guessing and AI you can trust.